Hello everyone, I am Shinde DG. I welcome you to my channel that is Awesome English for Learners. Friends, today you are going to learn language study. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and press bell icon to get notifications. Students, you know very well there are 10 marks for language study. Question number 1A, do as directed, it has 8 marks and you have to attempt any 4. Question number 1B, do as directed, it has 2 marks and you have to attempt any 1. In question number 1A, do as directed, there are 6 bits and you have to choose any 4 to get 8 marks. In this first video, you will learn complete the words by using correct letters. It has 2 marks. Put the words in alphabetical order. Punctuate the following. Make 4 words using the letters in the word and each word must have minimum 3 letters each and write the related words as shown in the example. These 5 bits you will learn in this first part of the language study. Question number 1A, do as directed. There are 8 bits and you must solve 4 and get 8 marks. 1. Complete the words by using correct letters. In this activity, any 4 words from the course books with 1 blank each will be given and you have to fill the correct letters in the blanks to make meaningful words. Here, I have given you a chart of the words and you have to fill a letter and complete the word. For example, reach, R-ACH, YOU-G and LNCH. In this way, you think over these words and fill the correct letter. Now this first R-ACH, R-E-A-C-H means E is a letter I fill. In this way, we learn the second example Y-O-U-N-G, young, and third example is L-U-N-C-H. Here is a chart of the words. You must pause the video and solve all these words because these all words are taken from your textbook. Practice more and more of these words and do best and get 8 out of 8 marks in language study. Question number 1A, 2. Put the following words in alphabetical order. In this activity, 2 sets of words of 1 mark each will be asked. First set will have 4 words starting with different letters and second set will have 4 words starting with the same letters. Here I have written alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H to Z and you must use of these alphabets. You have learnt this alphabetical order in 5th standard. Now think over this. Attack, daughter, unless, warrior. Means which letter or which alphabet comes first? A. Attack. D. Daughter. Unless, warrior. This means this alphabetical order is correct. If you go to third example, then you will get important, jeweler, hostile, grateful. Means G, E, F. Just you have to go. You have to read these words at first and think over it which letter comes first. Now look this important, jeweler, hostile and grateful. Just you have to count in your mind. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G first means grateful. G, H second hostile. I important third letter and jeweler fourth words. In this way you make alphabetical order correct. Here are some examples given. Just you pause the video and solve all these examples, and these examples are taken from your textbook. Number 1A. Punctuate the following. In this activity, put proper punctuation marks and also capital letters wherever applicable in the given two sentences and rewrite them. Here are some examples. You pause the video and solve all these. I will solve one example for you. Look at the first example. She replied, I am working for science. In this sentence, here C, it is in the small letter. Just you have to use yes in capital letter. Then after replied, you put the comma and double inverted commas. You add this sentence, I am working for science, and here you must write I in capital form and close the inverted commas and give full stop. In this way you solve this punctuation, then here you will get 2 marks. Then now look at the second sentence. Boli, are you crazy? Shouted Ramlal. In this sentence also, Boli, it is a proper noun, and every proper noun starts with capital letter. That's why you must use B in capital letter, comma, are you crazy? Here, crazy, after crazy you have to give question marks and close the double inverted commas, and you write R, Ramlal's R in capital letter. In this way you think over it and write down, punctuate all these sentences carefully to get 2 marks. Here I have given some examples. You must pause all this video and write down all these examples, because all these examples are taken from your textbook. Then question number 1. Make 4 words using the letters in the word. Just I told you have to write 3 letters minimum in each word. In this activity, make 4 meaningful smaller words of at least 3 letters each using in the given words. Here I have given some examples, and there is a specimen also. Read this first word, democratic. This is a specimen, and in this way you have to make words. Democratic, demo, art, eat, egg, time, cat, micro, mat, etc. In this way we make 4 words, and those are meaningful words of at least 3 letters. In this way you have to pause the video and do this activity carefully. Here I have given you 45 words and you have to do best. In this way, boys, you have to learn. You have to pause the video and write down all these words. This is our first part. You must subscribe this channel, share this channel to your friends. Thank you, and see you again in the second part of language study.